damaging winds. The creator of this beautiful world wants to show himself in his children from generation to generation. But there is two different seasons. Yes, wheat and tares. But if we are confused about what's the difference, the devil will strip us back. Kill, steal, destroy. That's his theme. Abraham only heard a voice and he believed. No book in sight to read. Y'all counted his right way of thinking, and y'all called it faith. Amazing what will happen when we strive to see the Most High's face and cast out cares and not worry about what's going on down here in this place. If I put my hand over my chest, I'm covering my heart. The serpent will try to slither in and tear your whole frame apart. And once that happens, it's like a cold motor. That car won't start. Goodness, those expensive parts. Damaging winds. Make big trees bow. Joseph believes because I saw something that I've never seen before. Wow. Every day I'm focused on those words. Now, a land flowing with milk and honey. No, I'm no dummy. The light is bright. My mind is right. No zombie. Damaging wind. Allow the vacuum hose to destroy coke lines. My writing hand, it in its prime. I can't control it. Like Steph taking over the fourth quarter. Most things have to be decent and in order. God's son was an immigrant, but he shared his love. No borders. Damaging winds. Tear down walls, whether concrete, cast iron, or tall. Weather changes. It's winter, no, it's fall. It's sad when strangers on social media platforms brawl. Saul changed when he heard the voice of Jesus of Nazareth call. Sorry, I coughed. His name even changed once the scales from his eyes fell off.